and you're on the For Life website, www.forlife.com, and first thing you need to do is to select a country before you do anything else, and from there you choose your location, and Australia is here under Oceania and South Pacific. Click on that and it'll take you to the main page for Australia. And now you click on the three lines next to the shopping cart and click on login. Yeah, you need to log in as you are an affiliate yourself. And here you click in your For Life ID number as well as the password that you have created. And that's it. You go into the site and make your purchase, make a payment, and so on. Now, if you wish, you can send this with your link to your friends and they can make the purchase or sign up as an affiliate. For example, australia.forlife.com/your ID number.